Hi guys, it's Michaela. So for today I'm just going to go ahead and do a little Halloween inspired little tutorial here. It's pretty simple, straight to the point, but I'm going to go ahead and just do a little bit of the spider's web. I already did my eye makeup look that I want to use for this, so I will link that in the description box below, but let's go ahead and just get started. I'm going to take my Kat Von D tattoo eyeliner, and let me see, I'm going to zoom you in. Just a little bit here. I've got my mirror here, but I'm basically going to go ahead and just take this and just draw lines fanning out. I'm going to extend that wing that is already there. Then I think I'm going to go ahead and go a little bit lower here. Hopefully this eyeliner doesn't run out on me. Alright, so I ran out of my Kat Von D tattooed eyeliner, so now I am taking the Urban Decay Perversion pencil liner in the shade 0, but again, just any kind of black eyeliner will do the trick. From there, I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of round out my eyeliner, just kind of in a backwards U shape. The neat thing about this is it doesn't necessarily have to be perfect, it's just kind of gotta be there, and just kind of do it the best you can. I'm not really trying to be super precise. Alright, now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and take just my e.l.f. little eyeliner. It's just a Stardust glitter eyeliner pencil, and I just want to add a little bit of glitter to this, and again, not being precise at all, just kind of running this along it just to add some glitter, just kind of being as messy as possible. Wait until your eyeliner dries, especially if it is a more of a wet formula. And with that, well, that's the look. I mean, hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was fun. I mean, I'm not really into like crazy Halloween stuff, but I've always enjoyed like the spider web kind of look when it comes to Halloween. But with that, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. God bless and bye guys.